For the earlier, we all talk about the high availability design of our core business systems, which are the central components of the Redstone solution architecture. But however, in the comprehensive operation plan, we can't rely on solely the core system to provide overall protection. So we also have some applications, management, maintenance, like the billings, like the address books, like the recording. This supporting system can be categorized into the several layers of the perspective. So like the edge devices, like species, like the application levels. Some of these systems may not be very crucial, but some of it we strongly recommend you deploying your HA or disaster recovery mechanism. For example, the call recording. Right. So in the smaller scale of deployment, we often use is like the REX 20 and REX 50. So which features built in are offers two capabilities. Like one is support for channel recording, and two is ability of the local cache. So this architecture brings the advantage when the recording gateway loses the connection to the central recording server, or the recording platform itself experiences a failure. The system does not lose any data. So instead, the recording will temporarily cache locally inside the devices. Once the connection function is restored, the system will automatically initiate our recovery process. What happens in the recording agent and the recording management systems? In this situation, the REX systems will support dual push and dual server synchronizations. It means it will send audio streams to the two independent recording management platforms in the real time, and the system configuration and data auto synchronized between the both servers. And now I will introduce you our new recording, NL recording. So this is an updated one. So it has some more advantage. So the first difference is from the architecture upgrade. Before the old RMS, we used the Windows server and the Circle server. But now we use the Linux-based platform, so which means the database system was also upgraded for the better performance and security. And the second one is the function enhancement. I mean, except the basic features, the new capabilities like the reporting generations were added. And the third one is the high availability design. You can see in the picture, we support multi deployment of the recording models. For example, before we only provide one models. If it's down, everything goes down. So now we can deployment the 3 or more instances. Each models also can handle up to the 600 concurrent recordings. So it can be scaling to the thousands of sessions with module stacking, right? So the first is the redundancy is preserved in the NewLink AS. So each recording node responds to a dedicated recording collector model. Recording collector model you can see on the picture. So if the collector model becomes unavailable, the NewLink will automatically also local cache the recording locally. It's something similar to the small devices like the 20 or 50. Okay, I will go quickly because time is not enough. This is the same meaning of last page. And so SBC, I think everyone knows very well, such as it is devices include the signaling conversions and media transmission and transcoding. So it plays a vital role in the securing communication, handle the protocol matches. So I just talking about the side that supports the virtual IP. Another side, we have the redundant point. So this one is like network management systems, but I think it's seldom used in some of the countries because it is suitable for some large scale of the projects. So we go to the case studies. It's usually it has a lot of cases. I think applicable in the China, but it's okay. We can take for a reference. For example, the Nanjing Public Security. It's 25,000 users. It also uses the network management system because it's a very large, like the 10 million level of the recording data management and high capacity of the concurrent support. It actually, we also that have another requirements that I can also introduce you in the RACS 8000 section. You can know it at the first stage is this is a hierarchy that we have the province bureau, we have the police station, we have the more than 1,000 police stations. So it has to deal with the high capacity to supporting over the 20,000 users simultaneously. So what you can think about is how we deal with that. We have to use the cruiser of the machines, right? So I also add some Tableau for you because at the first beginning I just provide you the PPT, but just now today I just add on our like Nanjing Public Security Communication architectures. So you can see we deployment the RACS 8000 equipment and adopt a cruiser mode with the multiple of the units like the redundant backup for each other. And also we can connect it with the original Siemens program control systems. They are uniformly scheduled through the RACS 8000 cruiser to build a nature hub for the public security voice communications, right? And we can connect with the district bureau, the outlet police stations. Even a single device fails, the cruiser redundancy mechanism can ensure that communication is not interrupted. So this one, I think I have sent the EDM in our platform, and I can simply introduce you. It's also our solution deployment in our water competency project, where is the exiting the communication system facing the agent infrastructure and the high maintenance costs. So it requires updated to a modern UC platform, and it needs the flexible deployment and scalable, and also want to seamlessly migrate from the hybrid connectivity. So let's see also I put a Tableau to you. You can see it more clearly. So to meet the flexible, we used the NewLink 2.0 enterprise communication platform serve as the core management nodes and to ensure the system reliability. And we integrate with the RGW series gateways to terminate the phones. And also we how to face the hybrid connectivities. We also deployment all the kind of things like I think they also deployment the billings, the address books, like the applications to make sure its efficiency and stability for the future scalability. So you can have a more closely look on your picture after our training. I will send PPT for you. Okay. Sorry. So the next one is some the district in the government application. So it's the RACS 8000 also RACS 8000 dual deployment. It's also relies on its the old bureaus has some old PBX, I think. And its solution adopts IP-based communication systems. So we deployment our RACS 8000 in the core and connecting also with their different places. So this one is the Shanghai Stock Exchange. It's a financial VoIP solution, which I will be introduced tomorrow more clearly for you. And this one is actually a Flight Test Institute. It used the RACS 8000 remote disaster recovery dual centers. So simply speaking, it has the airport A and airport B. So the scope that at the like the airport A maybe is the operation zone, and another place may be the R&D and the production area. So these two have to be integrated, and also it can support like the one place A. It has the 1,500 users, and the airport B maybe have the 5,000 users. So I also just print a Tableau for you. You can see clearly that we deployment the Rex 8000 as the core IP voice platform in the one airport and respectively. So we deployment also our recording management systems at the second airport. Also adopts a dual master mode, and we deployment network management systems. Okay, so you can have a look of all the structures. I think this is for all from my side, because the case study is you can also deeply search for all the informations, or if you have any more questions, you can have a look and feedback to me. So all of this maybe. So this section is the foundation of the 3 sessions, because you have to know what is the basic knowledge of the high availability. Some relatively more complicated in these cases. So I hope everyone understand the common knowledge. So if you have any questions, we can discuss. Because our technical people is also like Romel and Mike is also here. So maybe we have more discussion now. Okay, thank you.